What's up, everybody? Welcome to the tundra. It is howling out of the south today, and wouldn't you know, as soon as I fire up an intro, just got set up, and we got a tip up. Up here in Upper Peninsula, Michigan, just got set up, literally fully set up 10 minutes ago. Snowstorms rolling in, it's supposed to snow the rest of the day. And we got some activity here. I'm not sure I'm gonna prop this camera up, but I got a big sucker on here. So let me put this back, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna do my best here. Oh yeah, I just hope it's not a pike. Those wobbly shapes like a northern though. Hard to tell though. This is deep water. This is the deepest set line I have. I have an auto out too. Oh, those are kind of doggy head shakes at the end there though. Those might not be pike. Again, didn't even get to the intro. Yep, northern. You don't ever know they're hooked till the end. Oh, you know what? It is a decent little walleye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check that beast out. Woo! That was a good way to start the day right there, boys. Right there. I'll have to get the tape on it. Yep, I'm gonna have to grab my pliers. What a great way to start. Oh yeah!